everyone, and welcome to the Emerson booth at PAC Expo. We are thrilled to have you join us as we explore the groundbreaking potential of hybrid electric pneumatic linear motion technology. This innovative solution is set to redefine precision, speed, and adaptability in manufacturing systems. And today I'm joined by Rafael Sanchez, an applications engineer at Emerson, who's going to share his insights into how this technology can really elevate your operations and address the evolving demands of modern manufacturing. Rafael, thank you so much for joining me.
Thanks for having me here.
So Rafael, tell me a little bit about your role at Emerson.
My role in Emerson consists in talking directly with the customers, finding out their needs, and come up with a solution that's going to boost productivity and sustainability. My main focus is linear motion with hybrid and pneumatic technology, and also attach it to the floor to cloud, so we can offer our customer a complete solution from floor to cloud.
Okay, so tell me about this demonstration. What is it showcasing?
Of course, what we have on the hybrid display motion is the packaging and production of washers. So we're simulating the feeding of washers into a container, ultrasonic welding, and packaging with our not contact transfer gripper, giving the idea that a customer can get all the collected data from the system from floor to cloud with all our Emerson products. The goal is to showcase how these two technologies can work together and improve efficiency in the system.
So who's the target audience for this hybrid motion technology, and what key industries or applications would this be useful for?
So we're looking to get the attention of OEMs, integrators, and automation engineers. Industries that could fit in perfectly with this type of system would be pharmaceuticals, food and beverage, automation, and assembling. These industries have a lot of pick and placing, labeling, and precision positioning that they could easily get with this system.
One of the unique aspects of Emerson's approach is this floor to cloud strategy. Can you tell me a little bit about how this uses that?
Of course. So our floor to cloud, how it works, it's with the integration of intelligent devices, motion control, machine control, and analytics. With those four topics, we can ensure enough data that we can send to the cloud, and the customer can optimize production, predict maintenance needs, and overall have a more efficient system.
Awesome. So can you walk me through some of the key features and how they improve productivity and sustainability?
Absolutely. So for starting with our pneumatic systems, they're simple, reliable, and robust applications. If you're looking for precision, we got an electric motion. Yes, and also the systems has controllers and sensors, which give us real-time reading and monitoring of the system.
Well, it's clear that this technology has a lot to offer. Can you share with us some real-world examples of how Emerson has helped manufacturers?
Absolutely. So in the past, we worked with a cheese manufacturing company. We helped their loading process by implementing robust pneumatic systems. In the beverage company, we helped removing mechanical cam discs, and we replaced them with electrical cam discs that let the operator switch from products with the switch of a button, which makes it fascinating. And for last, in the tire industry, we optimized quality testing by implementing solid pneumatic actuators that increase throughput and increase productivity.
Thank you for those insights. So to wrap up, how would you really summarize how OEMs can get started by using this technology?
So I recommend OEMs identifying our new system and machines, comparing to what they're currently using, and trying to make as much questions they can ask us so we can collect as much data so we can provide a super efficient and sustainable product.
Thank you, Rafael, for your valuable insights today.
No, thank you for your time. Thank you.
And it is obvious that hybrid motion technology holds transformative potential for industries looking to enhance efficiency and precision. And a big thank you to our audience for joining us. We invite you to explore more about these innovative solutions by visiting emerson.com, where you can see firsthand how this technology can elevate your operations. We look forward to connecting with you.